Oh. Hey, gearheads! Ready to dive into the world of engine oil? Let's make your engine happier than a dog with two tails. So, what exactly does engine oil do? Think of it as the lifeblood of your car. It keeps everything running smoothly by reducing friction, cleaning, cooling, and even protecting your engine. Now, when should you change it? A good rule of thumb is every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but always check your car's manual for specifics. But how can you tell if your oil's gone bad? Look out for dark, dirty oil or a strange burning smell. If your engine starts running louder than usual, it's time for a change. Now, picking the right oil sounds tricky, right? Not really. Just match the oil type and viscosity recommended in your car's manual. Synthetic oils are great for high performance, while conventional oils work well for everyday driving. And there you have it. Master these tips and tricks, and your car will thank you with a smooth, purr-like performance. Till next time, keep those engines running happy.